beautiful small nest. It is not at the size of my hand also. It is just half of the size of my hand. This is the nest of a sunbird. So every day evening I'll come to this park. So I like bird watching. So one day I have like some different pattern. I have seen some different pattern in these birds. So, one sunbird is visiting a particular place frequently. Yes. So one of the sunbird is visiting a particular place frequently. So I went there. Then it is building the nest. So that is why. So I'll keep posting videos like this. Thank you friends. Encourage me by liking this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll show you one more video like this. Thank you.